Okay, so I'm busy with the takedown, yeah? But then I have to go somewhere. I'm gonna put the hair in here. So drive I get to wherever we're going that I can't talk about. And then yeah, because you can't just be driving around and not things and not be busy. So now I'm gonna take this opportunity to take down my hair and drive it. Finally did it.
How does the general public?
It's my hair.
So this
It's
is
out.
the beautiful thing is that you literally just have to post a video. That
Free
is
at
more
last.
efficient.
I can have the
No matter where you are in South Africa,
wind
you don't have to come to an audition room with people. No.
through my
Put your phone up.
hair.
You also want to take a video of you. You then have to tell.
It is great ladies.
Ubani lo? Oh, buya kancane.
Before we could kill the logo, from one bit. And that's in those look. That look for.
I saw the bullet.
The one that look for.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Musenzani. Fihlile pha umama ebhaji nanku. Uyazifihla. Sisithe wine. So ngoku thengi Hennessy. I'm back here at my parents' house. Got the pensioners wearing the same kit as usual. This usual because everybody's tired of fish. Chowing fish the whole time. Anyway, so my dad took out the Hennessy as he saw Hennessy by my tea. We got look for Izol. Because yesterday they had it Jameson. Didn't get a chance to take a picture. I was so tired because I had to clean the house. Hey, I was looking for this mouse. Looked up and down around the house. I couldn't find it. There was no. I was just checking my dog if he's okay. Anyways, I'm back here. I'm looking after the pensioners because my sisters are not here. So I have to be here every other day or every day to come check on them and say what up. Anyway, just came in to tell you ba kuvule Hennessy ngoku. Mna. This tail wine mommy bite.